guys? You like the new rack? Man, it's been a while since I've been on the bike. My neck is still hurt. I got a pinched nerve. Went to the chiro. He said it should be healed up in like, a couple weeks if I keep coming to him. So we're gonna do that. First start in like 2 weeks. Man, I hit my head on this earlier playing tug of war with my dog, so I was like facing this way, and like right now my head is hurting really bad. Like my co-workers say, man, I'm always injured. All my friends always say I'm always injured, bro. I don't know why. I don't think it's gonna rain today, but like it's cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't rain, right? I forgot. I have these gloves. My everyday gloves. Make these my everyday gloves. So my neck is okay. Gonna take it easy because my neck is still kind of hurt. I don't think it can handle all this weight on my neck. Like it feels fine normal, but the second I put the helmet on with the GoPro and the wind pushing down on it, yeah, neck is not feeling. Maybe I shouldn't have rode today. Oh well, we're already on the bike, so might as well. How is everybody doing? This is my first week back at the gym since my competition, and my body is so sore. I cannot move, can't even operate. But we're back on the bike, everybody. Nothing's new. I need to change out the handlebar grip soon. Why did I say the whole name? Just say the grips, damn it. But yeah, wearing the leather jacket today, feeling spicy. What do I want to talk about here? A lot of the comments, I mean, like, I love criticism. Can y'all make it constructive? Like, look, I get it. Some people are commenting about my mirrors and shit. I can see, buddy. Are you riding the bike? You're not riding the bike, so I can see perfectly fine. You don't gotta worry about shit. Alright? I know I'll be swerving and going crazy a lot, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's just mad. Guys, just ride your ride and let me ride my ride, alright? Don't stop being so like weird. Like, cool, man. You know there are like crazier riders than me. Like, there are some crazy people out there. You don't understand. My neck's hurting right now. See, I'm a nice dude. What kind of biker is gonna let this truck over, huh? Cause I could give a fuck. I'm a nice asshole. any gear, guys, I'm telling you, any gear. Man, this shit is so fucking fun, bro. I'm telling you, man, every single gear that you get is gonna go straight. Like, it just launches, bro. Like, it just launches, man. Like, it's just beautiful. I love the rumbles of an STI, of a Rex, of a WRX. I love it, man. The box engine, bruh. Shit sounds so clean. My boy Admired and Inspired just reached 1K. I'm gonna shout him out. Check out his page. He got like a hella tune STI on his channel. Y'all wish you could do this, right? Cruise control. Y'all wish. Y'all wish. No, this is so relaxing, bro. Dude. Merge over here. See if we can get past this Honda Pilot without speeding anymore. Wait, this is not the Pilot, is it? I don't know.